So I'm gonna have another attempt at a vlog here. I done one this time last year, but it never went to plan. Ended up not filming and just doing other things. So, you know, this time of year I hate it. It's cold, it's dark, it's wet, and motivation is pretty much like zero. Like, who wants to go and do anything when it's cold and wet and snowing outside? So the plan is to focus on mountain biking, running, the gym, and really just like socialising. That's one of the great aspects of going away travelling, is just meeting new people. So it'll be a nice little mental reset, and it'll set me off for the new year, hopefully with a bang. So for going away, I had to get a bike to take with me, so I managed to pick up this one on Pinkbike, but it turned out to be an absolute nightmare. When I got home, there was so much stuff wrong and loads of stuff had to be replaced. So I also managed to get my flights booked, but I'd kind of forgotten that it was a 30-hour flight to New Zealand. Yes, 30 hours. Also, when I went looking for accommodation, there was only one room left at this hostel here. I'm not sure what it's going to be like. The reviews were alright. Hopefully it's good.
Welcome to British Airways. To help improve our service, we may record your call. To change your booking, press 1.
I had to book the bike on the flight. Never done this before, so this was a bit of a learning process, and I had to go to my local Trek dealership and pick up a bike box for taking away. Don't have one of these fancy Evoque bike bags, and this trip is quite expensive as it is. So I've got one more week to go, and that's about everything ready. Just got the bike to pack away and all my stuff to pack away. In regards to the bike, it's now pretty much fully built up. All the stuff that I kind of need on it to test is done. The only thing I've not done is the new derailleur that I got for it, but I don't want to put that on for putting it in the box. So I'd like setting up the gears and stuff like that, because in case it gets damaged in transport. So I'm going to do that when I get there, but as it stands, this is how the bike is looking just now. Just trying to get back into running again, but this time I kind of want to have a plan in place. I'm going to try and do marathon training this time, just using an app called Runner, which gives you preset workouts. I think I've got it set for like a 12-week period training up for a marathon. So yeah, I'm going to try and stick this out and see how I get on. Until now I've been running like 10 to 15 Ks pretty consistently, pretty easy. So it's just trying to see, you know, what extra training is needed to get up to that, you know, marathon kind of level. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm excited, and when I go away I'm looking forward to like continue my plan. So I had a week off last week, just with loads of snow here, and it's kind of hard to keep like a training plan when the weather's so bad. So I'm looking forward to going out when the weather's like nice and sunny, hopefully warm, running shorts and a t-shirt. Be fun.